Alright, so we got some good news. I've got some updates for you, but just quickly to summarize, basically Friday on October 12th, we launched a 360 camera, and we want to launch it to space and get some epic footage above Predator Ridge Resort as the camera went up and then off to space. And long story short, camera comes down, parachute, it landed about 4.5 hour drive away. So we drove northwest of Nelson, BC to try to recover the camera. And when we got there, we couldn't get any closer than about 4 kilometers away from the destination. So nighttime was coming, we had to drive back. But the next day, Saturday, Jen and I, we looked for some Facebook groups, some hiking groups of hikers in the Kootenays region, and explained the story, told them where it was, asked if there was anyone that was familiar with the area, and we actually got quite a lot of response. And one guy named Tyler told us that he'd be super stoked on helping us retrieve the camera. Initially, we were thinking of going back the following weekend and preparing ourselves, but Tyler kindly offered to actually retrieve it for us. And as it turns out, he himself is a photographer and a climber and a hiker and everything, so he's like the perfect person to help us retrieve this. So he's gonna have his own GPS while he's in the woods, and he's got climbing equipment if he needs to go up a tree to retrieve it, and he's gonna film all of this. So thank you so much, Tyler. Looking forward to hearing about the results of your adventure, and I can't wait to see the video and let everybody know about the progress, because I'm super excited to actually see the video footage that the 360 camera caught on its way up to space.